Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to view your card number in the Navy Federal app. The truth is that the full card details are not visible in the Navy Federal app. This is done on purpose for security reasons. Navy Federal does this to protect your account and prevent fraud if someone gains access to your phone. When you open the app, you can see your balance, recent transactions, and sometimes the last 4 digits of your card. But you will not see the full card number, expiration date, or security code. Even though you cannot see your card details in the app, there is still a safe way to get them. Navy Federal allows you to request your card details by contacting their member services team directly. To do this, open your web browser and go to the official Navy Federal Credit Union website. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you will find the section with contact information. Look for the member service phone number listed there. Call that phone number and follow the prompts to reach a representative. When you speak to them, explain that you need access to your card details. For security purposes, they will ask you to verify your identity. This may include confirming your name, account information, date of birth, or answering security questions. After they confirm your identity, the representative will help you with the request. In many cases, Navy Federal can send your card details to you securely by email or guide you through another safe option. Thanks for watching.